Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on the element selector in CSS. Today, let's see what W3 School has for us. So CSS selectors can be referenced using five methods. So we'll be using the simple selectors. That's for today we'll be using by name. So using the element selector. Okay, so something like the H1 tag, the P tag, or the paragraph tag. Okay. So as you see here, there's the element selector that we'll be doing today. So first of all, let me just clear this and then let me show you how to do this. So I'm going to link the pages. So my index.html page with my CSS main.css page. So to do that, inside the closing and opening tag of my head, I'm going to type link. So the less than and then link and then rel relation equals in the parentheses. I'm going to type style sheet. Okay, so style sheet. Okay, and then I'm going to give the name of my so hyperreference equals, and then in the parentheses, remember my name is main.css. That's my CSS name is main.css. Okay, and then I will have to type equals, and then I'll type text. So equals in the parentheses, I'll type text / CSS. So this, and then I'll close it with that's the / and then the greater than sign. Okay. So this line of code is going to link my index .html to my main.css page. Okay. So that I'll be able to style them. So let's try styling our paragraph. So P, so we are using the element selector today. So the P tag, okay, and in the parentheses, sorry, in the curly braces, I'm going to type color colon and then I'll type blue and then I'll end it with a semicolon. Then I'll change the fonts to font style, okay, font style, and I'm going to make it italic. So font style, so the property, and then so the property is my font size, okay, colon, and then the value is 2em, okay, and then I'll end it with a semicolon. Okay, so if I refresh it, you'll see what happens. Okay, so you can see it's only affected our paragraph tag. Okay, so let's try that for the body. So body, and then in the curly braces, I'm going to give it some. So my property is going to be color. So I'm going to give it color property colon, and then let's give it a yellow or yellow green value, and then I'll end it. When I refresh it, anything in the body is changed to that color property or value. Okay. Um, let's try that with our h1 tag. Okay, so h1 tag, so anywhere there's an h1 tag, okay, it's going to, or yeah, tag is going to have the values or the properties that has been typed here. So in my h1 tag, I'm going to elements selector, I'm going to type font size colon 2em. Then I'll terminate it. When I refresh it, all my h1 tags should have some values, like a change in value. Let me see what I did. So let me see h1. Okay, so I have two h1s. So let me change the color to here. Or style. So font style. My font style is going to be italic. So I'll italize them and then I'll terminate it using the semicolon. And when I go to my browser and refresh it, all my h1 tag, you just saw what happened with change. Okay, so thank you and then see you in the next lesson.